place to be on time, so let's just enjoy the ride. We can go wherever the road decides, or we can head for the shore, or someplace we've never been before. Just climb in and close the door. We got nothing to answer for, 'cause you belong with me, and I belong with you. You belong with me, and I belong with you. I belong with you. Reach out and take my hand. We got the radio pumping jams. We don't got no map and we don't got plans. We don't gotta follow anyone's demands. Feel the wind blowing in your hair, the sun on your face and a song in the air. We can go as fast as we'll ever dare, until we see tomorrow in the rear view mirror. 'Cause you belong with me, and I belong with you. You belong with me, and I belong with you.
Hi, good morning. So now we are at the market, and today we are going to do the cooking class. We're gonna learn to cook a few Thai dishes. So can't wait for the new experience. Bye bye.
I belong with you. Get in the car, I'll drive. We got no place to be on time, so let's just enjoy the ride. We can go wherever the road decides, 'cause you belong with me, and I belong with you. You belong with me, and I belong with you. You belong with me, and yeah, I belong with you.
Alright, hi guys. So after a long 5 hours drive from Chiang Rai, now we are at Nustan Market. It's at the center of Chiang Mai. As you can see here, a lot of traditional stuff selling by local people,
and a lot of and also a lot of great foods.
Yeah.